I missed a couple days of Wordle. Super frustrating. So I started poking around the code to see if I could get my streak back. If we start entering guesses with the developer console open, the first thing I noticed is that there's no network traffic occurring when the guesses are checked. This is pretty cool. It means that once the page is loaded, you could turn off Wi-Fi and keep playing. Everything you need is already downloaded.
They're in the computer?
It also means that there's no security. The solution is already waiting for you in local storage. Looking at the files that were loaded, there's a main JavaScript file here, and oh, there it is. It's a list of all the preset daily answers in order. I honestly thought that would be a bit tougher to find. Since we have full control of the game's code, what else can we mess with? Now, you could always edit the HTML of the page to make it look correct, but if you really want to bump up your stats, it's easier to just modify the game's logic. Using a free web proxy tool like Burp Suite, you can modify the code before it reaches your browser. For instance, now today's word is lupus.
It's never lupus.
Splendid. One of the best features of Wordle is that everyone gets the same single word once a day. So I broke that too. I'd missed a couple days. I was busy. In the code, May 19th, 2021 is like day 0 for Wordle. So to play yesterday's word, just shift that up by a day. Or up another. And if you're feeling really impatient, push that date one day back and you'll get tomorrow's word. You'll only be able to do this for days until sometime in late 2027, which is when Wordle will run out of words and end. Who am I kidding? Nothing lasts that long on the internet. Speaking of which, you might want to just save the webpage now so that you can play on your own until the end of days. Make sure to save the complete webpage, which will include the JavaScript. Wordle only has about 2,300 solutions and about 12,000 possible valid words, which got me thinking, could you just use brute force to calculate all the optimal strategies? If we do the math, that's about 65 quintillion possibilities. That's 8 times the number of grains of sand on Earth. Okay, let's try a different way to discover better strategies. I tried building an AI, but it turns out that's also kind of hard. A basic algorithm using the frequency of most common letters would probably do a lot better still. The problem with just making a giant frequency table is that we as mere humans can't really benefit from that directly. The best opening word might be crane for one particular algorithm, but it probably isn't for you or me and our puny human brains. I finally realized that instead of man versus machine, a man plus machine strategy could actually improve my game the most. So I built a browser extension to help me become an expert human Wordler. With the extension installed, as you type, it calculates all the possible remaining solutions out of the original 2,300 based on your current guesses. You can see the count of possible solutions up top, and the words themselves if you open up the developer console. All the best strategies have one thing in common. You choose a word or words in order to quickly reduce the number of remaining solutions. The more quickly you're able to eliminate more options, the closer to the real solution you get. Whether you try to use up a lot of vowels first, or start with a set of words that don't share any letters, or any other strategy, you can see how close you've gotten to the actual solution. As an added bonus, the extension also blocks all the ad trackers added by the New York Times. Try it out for yourself at the Chrome Web Store, or if you don't want to install a browser extension from a random hacker, I've also shared the code in the description so you can check it out first. Since I had full control of the game's logic, I couldn't help but try one last bit of trickery. After a lot of squinting, I figured out that this portion of the code does the actual guess checking. So now, every answer is always correct. Hey, name a 5-letter word.
Moist.
That's today's Wordle solution.
No, it's not.
Subscribe if you want to see me take more things that you love and destroy them.